Hi everybody, I know loads of you have been asking about the easy low carb bread, so I thought I'd do a quick live and show you how simple this bread is. So what I've done is melted a tablespoon of butter in the microwave. I've got an egg, just one egg, and to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of coconut flour. You can get coconut flour in Aldi these days, so it's quite easy to come by. So add some coconut flour, and we're going to add the melted butter into that as well, and then just a tablespoon of cream cheese as well. So simple, add that into the mug, and then you want to just give it a really good stir. I love these little simple recipes because they're quite often single serving, so you don't feel like you have to make tons and you can just have it once in a while. Really easy. You can add a pinch of salt to this as well. Hi Teresa, hi Leda. So really simple. You make it like a batter almost. Get a really good mix on through there. Make sure your cream cheese is really well distributed as well. Bit of elbow grease. There you go. Can you see that? That sort of consistency. You want to add in some baking powder, about a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder as well. Just about that, I guess. Give that a mix in. Simple. And that is it. Simple. Okay, so you've got that sort of consistency. Leave it in the mug, stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes, well, a minute and a half, and then check it. The top of it should be firm. I'm going to put that in now. My microwave tends to take about 2 minutes. And then once it's done, it's like an English muffin almost, so you can just then slice it and toast either side and have it with whatever. So I'm going to have some with hummus today for my lunch. I did make some aubergine pizza earlier, which was just slices of aubergine with garlic and cream cheese and tomato and melted mozzarella, but the kids ate most of it. So I need to make some lunch for myself. But we're going to leave that in for 2 minutes. The reason I love the low carb lifestyle is that cutting out sugar and getting rid of, very unnecessary carbs from your life is very low inflammatory. It obviously helps you lose weight. It stops the insulin resistance that a lot of people are experiencing. And we're seeing some amazing results on my keto group so far. One of the guys posted today about his doctor can't believe that his inflammatory markers and his blood tests are at the lowest they've ever been because he has a type of inflammatory arthritis. So he's been doing the low carb lifestyle and doing all the recipes with us as well and drinking the keto coffee. So it's amazing results coming in. Obviously I'm down 27 pounds so far, which is quite nice. But more than that, it's the energy it gives you and the focus it gives you. You just don't feel sluggish or bloated, no more indigestion. No more heartburn, things like that. There's so many things that just disappear when you get rid of carbs and sugar from your life. It's incredible. So if you want to join the group for more recipes, obviously let me know. Let me just check on my bread. Almost there. So you wanted that it's firm on top, and then you'll know that it's cooked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fry it afterwards so it's nice and crispy on the outside, and have it with my hummus dip, which will be very yummy. Okay, you can tell it's cooked when it's coming away from the sides like that. Okay, really simple. Pop it out. Careful of the mug because it's hot. Ooh. So, you've got a little bread, muffin, low carb type thing, which is really easy substitute because obviously when you go low carb, you don't really miss bread. but the odd time it's nice to have something as a substitute. So I'm just going to slice it. Probably actually get 3 slices out of this one. It's risen quite a bit. Ooh, hot. There we go. 3 slices. I'm going to fry those in coconut oil, and then I can have them as little toasty bread with my hummus. Easy peasy. See? So easy. Like I say, if you want to have more recipes, obviously just let me know. Hi Soraya. If you want more recipes, just let me know and I'll pop you on my low carb recipe group. We're all having fun sharing the recipes that we're enjoying, and everybody's losing weight and everybody's getting rid of inflammation, so it's a win-win. Bye.